Michael Jaafar and Dante Pointer are still with us. She has pled not guilty by reason of insanity. Michael, anything in there you hear that the defense can use to their benefit?
That conversation was very bizarre. Look, people don't understand how difficult an insanity defense is. I had a client who was facing attempted murder. We pled the insanity defense. This client had a long history of mental health issues, medication, inpatient, right? And what you understand is that the state of the law in our country is very against people leveling an insanity defense. And her defense counsel aren't even leveling an insanity defense. They're saying it was temporary insanity, which is even more difficult, right? Because you have to convince a jury, first, that insanity even applies, and second, that she had a temporary moment of insanity. I wasn't in the room when they had their initial conferences with her, but it must have been an overwhelming amount of evidence against her, where her attorney would have looked at her as a defense attorney. It's the worst thing to tell a client, we're not winning this case. You're going to be in jail for the rest of your life. The only question is, do you want to be in jail or do you want to be in a mental hospital for the rest of your life? Because even if they're successful, it's not like she's going to walk out of the courtroom. She's going to be in hospitals for the rest of her life, and then she's going to go to jail. So that conversation was bizarre. As a defense attorney, I mean, it doesn't sway one way or the other. It shows that she's narcissistic, and she's worrying about a diamond ring when a kid is missing, right? So that doesn't rise to the level of insanity, but that does show you as being a narcissist.